Hello everyone, my name is Jane and my research company is Walt Disney. Today, Disney is far more than engaged in an animated film industry. Disney watches, Disney jewelry, Disney girls clothing, Disney plush toys, and other industries. As many people grew up watching Disney's animated movies from childhood, the major industries involved in Disney have been highly prized by the vast number of consumers and have achieved substantial commercial value. And why I chose Walt Disney? Because Disney is now one of the giant in the animated film industry, and they can certainly lead their American animated films with their unique strategies and advantages. This is what I want to learn through this research project, and the prince dream of every girl should be derived from the princess of Disney, and these lovely animated characters have accompanied my childhood until now. So what I'm going to talk about for Disney is the scarcity power and the monopoly rate. Disney World is a term used by Disney studios since the 1940s, which describe their practice limiting the availability of certain home versions. Their movies on the cinema and home movie market, where a film would be released for a limited run and taken off the market or put back in the vault for 7 to 10 years. And the reason is, first one, in order to give a new generation of children to watch, because this allows the next generation of people to know the film and they can make a profit. Second one, Disney will open their vault and re-release the merchandise to the store. This is the only time people get a new copy of the movie from the store. So Disney can charge their movie a high amount during this limited time release. Then, with the development of the times, the quality of films re-released every decade has become better and better. Some movies released early are unique, such as special packaging or signatures, and some are out of print. Disney movies are very popular, and each generation of new generation consumers will flock to the store and to buy their own copies before the movie disappears again. In this competitive market, people or companies with scarcity power have monopoly rent, which means they can charge customers whatever they please. The United States is the world's largest producer and consumer of animated films. According to Box Office Mojo statistics, North American high box office animated films are almost all from the seven studios of Disney Animation, Pixar, DreamWorks, Blue Sky Studio, Lighting Entertainment, Sony Animation, and Warner Bros. And I believe that Marvel movies have given countless superhero dreams of audience, and this is one of my favorite American movies. Since I first watched the Captain of America, then Marvel movies gradually integrated into my life and let me meet the Avengers. Before Disney acquired Marvel, Marvel Studios had many fans of superheroes from all over the world. Most of the fans will now leave because of the change in the film company. So therefore, Disney is profitable and has no competitors. So let me give a simple example. The Avenger 4 Endgame is a movie that many people expect, and everyone wants to know where the last die superheroes went and what will happen next. Therefore, fans around the world will go to the cinema during the movie's release. The Avengers 4 will be the best film of the period. So Disney is profitable because of the ownership of the Marvel Studio. And during the research project, I think there are two challenges that I must meet. The first one is collecting information, which must close with my topic, and it is hard to find the suit and correct one. So I will research the website as many as I see from Disney Company official website and academic analyzing website. And the second one is to prove my thought to others. This requires a basis and data to make my opinion be stronger, such as Box Office Mojo, which is a data statistics website. And this is my references. Thanks for watching.